Hey everyone, uh, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Dragon Ball Sparking 0 error code 2E795EC5. So first of all, you don't worry, I've got to fix in under 2 minutes. So let me tell you what is error 2E795EC5 is. The error usually pops up when the game fails to connect to the online server. It's mostly a network or server communication issue, often caused by NAT type restrictions, and unstable internet, or temporary server downtime. So to fix that, first of all, you need to go to the official Bandai Namco or Dragon Ball Games Twitter page. If servers are down, the error isn't on your end. And after that, simple but effective, power cycle both to clear any network cache, like restart your console or PC and router. And another method is Wi-Fi might cause unstable signals. Switch to Ethernet for a stronger, more consistent connection. And after that, for console users, change NAT type. If your NAT type is strict or type 3, change it to open or type 1. This allows better communication with game servers. You'll need to enable UPnP in your router or forward the necessary ports. Check your console support site for steps. And after that, you can also disable VPN or proxy, and it's especially for PC users. So VPNs or proxies can block server handshakes. Turn them off and try again. And after that, for the console users, for PS5 or Xbox, hold the power button for 10 seconds to clear system cache. This can fix temporary data bugs. So that's it. Try these fixes and you will be back in battle in no time. If nothing works, wait a bit. It could be a temporary server side issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game fixes. See you in the next round.